me again, Cameron Jones, and I am going to blow your mind away by my amazing ability to solve the Rubik's Cube in almost under a minute. I still have some practicing to do to get under a minute, but you're still going to be blown away. So, looking away, scrambling the cube. It's not rigged, it's just a normal Rubik's Cube. Alright, that should be good. See? Yeah, good. That. Alright, see? I have no idea what it is, but I'm going to examine it so I can do the best and fastest solve possible. Ready, set, go. Done. Alright. That blew your mind away, didn't it?